Hello friends, welcome to my channel and thanks for watching this video. Friends, this is an introductory video about what my channel is offering to you people. So this is not only for English viewers but also for Hindi viewers as well. So basically I'm an Indian and an Indian investor but having a keen interest on US market as well. Though I have a decade old experience in the Indian stock market, but along with my professional experience, I have also experienced the ups and downs of the US market. So, here are the things which you can find on my channel. So, let's move to my YouTube channel page. So, here we have on my YouTube channel page in which you will find videos in both the languages. So my intention is to help, educate and share my experience which I have earned over multiple years and through various resources with my professional and personal experiences. I am creating videos on individual stock market, economy, economics, and all those indicators which you probably find helpful to identify the trend of the stock market, probably the economy, as well as the individual stocks, whether on short term as well as on long term basis. So there are two categories which you will find. One, to cater the Indian audience as well as to cater the US and audience who are interested in other markets as well. So let's move to the playlist section where I'm going to explain you about the things which we have on our channel so that our audience get benefited and get educated, and so that I can share my experience and you can get benefited out of it. So I have created lots of playlists. Here you can see. So specifically those who are for looking for US based content and looking for stocks or stock market information about the United States and other economies. So I have specifically created a playlist called US market. You can directly go to this section and check out all the videos I am uploading on daily basis. Also, if you are interested in other economies, basically the major economies are Europe, probably Asia. Asian economies are very close, so basically the two major global economies are US and UK. You can add Canada, you can add Germany. There are lots of, but when we are talking about heavily traded market, equity stock market, so basically US comes first. So for US, this is the playlist which you have. So here you can find individual stock, indices, probably some macroeconomic indicators as well, which I'm updating on regular basis. Also, you have a playlist called Global Economy where you find stocks of other economies, let's say Germany, UK, Canada, and indices of other economies as well. So you can specifically visit these two playlists if you want to go for broader language and broader market experiences. Specifically, as I've already told you, for US you can directly go to US. For otherwise you can check US and global economy, who are basically English audience and those who are interested in other stock market. For our Indian viewers, so you have n number of things. Whatever I've created, you have access to both of them because we are familiar with both Hindi and English. So you can access, everybody can access everything. So there is nothing called private on my channel. And but basically US people won't go for Indian stock because basically it's a Hindi content. Most of them are Hindi content. So because to cater large number of audiences, but Indian audiences are well versed with Hindi and English, so they can check out both. If they are not interested in US content or global economy, they can cater the rest of the playlist, they can check it out. So we have different playlists based on investing, based on chart analysis, based on index analysis, based on other things as well as news and some basic news and updates. So this is about the playlist. You can directly go and check. Okay, as far as video is concerned, you can, because I also find that there are some difficulties which people may find while looking at the thumbnails and selecting whether I'm looking for an Indian stock or a US based stock. So for them, I you can simply find the thumbnail very easy and will guide you that whether it's an Indian company or it's a US stock or it's a stock which is not related to Indian stock market. So here, if you can find a thumbnail which is available both in Hindi as well as in English, so you can simply identify that it is for Indian audience. It is for the stocks which are traded in India. And in this case, you can find, for example, this thumbnail where you cannot find Hindi language, it is simply in English. So this is the stock which is not traded in India. So in that sense, you can directly find out the videos whether it is for English content and whether it is for Indian content, whether it is the stock is traded in India or anywhere else. So you can find based on the languages. Okay, so if it is Hindi, if Hindi is available on the thumbnail, it is most of the times, 99.9% of the times, unless it is a topic based on investing, it is a topic based on some macroeconomic indicators, because those topics are for a wide variety of audiences. It is important for all those who are interested in stock market, and it doesn't matter they are sitting in India or they are sitting in UK, US or anywhere else. So in this way you can find it out. Else you can, there is a search option as well, so you can simply go and search the company name if you want to find it out, and just search the company. I have over 1900 odd videos plus videos on my channel, so that my intention is to cover most of them. It is not because quality is the utmost priority, so you have to look at the quality content and quality stocks, but I am covering most of them. It is not to gain viewership, because anyhow I have very less viewership on my channel, but the intention is to make aware people who are new in the stock market, who don't know that there are some things which is very important whenever they put their hard-earned money into the stock market, and there are some paths where they need not to walk unless they are very sure about it. My intention here is to share my experience through various sources, through various mediums, through languages which are familiar to a wide number of audiences. I hope you will find my content knowledgeable, which you can help through and go through, and once you went through those contents, you will find it as an experience which you can directly imply with your experience and get profit out of it. So this is the end of the video. If you like this content, do share your thoughts in the comment section and visit my channel for more such contents like this. Lastly, take care of your family and friends.